Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to choose the language for your Simplebooklets navbar. This feature lets you display navigation menus, buttons, tooltips, and other interface elements in the language that best fits your audience, making your booklet more accessible and personalized. So we're going to get started here today on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Nav Layout button. This will open the Navbar Layout tool. By default, you'll see the Configure tab, but if we make our way over to this world icon here and click it, this will open up our language settings. So from here, we're just going to choose the language that we want for our Simplebooklets navbar and interface. As you can see, these are the languages we have to choose from. I'm going to pick Spanish for the sake of this tutorial. And then once you've selected your language, just go ahead and click on the Done button. And as you can see, you'll get a little confirmation here, just that your settings have been updated. Your navbar is now updated with the selected language, making your booklet more accessible and tailored to your audience. Choosing the right navbar language supports the awareness stage of the reader's journey. It ensures your audience can easily understand and interact with your booklet from the start, reducing barriers and building trust, while setting the stage for a smoother, more engaging experience. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.